Welcome to Living Clean in the Country, and welcome back to day 4 of the 12 Days of Christmas Prep, where I give you ideas on how to get your house ready for Christmas. Today, I'm going to show you how to make 4 holiday-flavored coffee creamers. To start, we will make mint chocolate coffee creamer. To a saucepan, I'm adding 1 cup of cream, half a teaspoon of mint extract, and 1 ounce of chopped semi-sweet chocolate. Warm this on medium heat until all incorporated. Pour into a container to cool. Next, for sugar cookie coffee creamer. Add 1 cup of cream, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Warm on medium heat until all incorporated. Pour into a container to cool. Next, for maple cinnamon coffee creamer. Add 1 cup of cream, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and half a teaspoon of, you guessed it, cinnamon. Warm on medium heat until all incorporated. Pour into a container to let cool. Last, gingerbread coffee creamer. To a saucepan, add 300 milliliters of cream, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of molasses, a 1/4 teaspoon each of vanilla extract, ground ginger, ground nutmeg, ground clove, and ground cinnamon. Warm on medium heat until incorporated. Pour into a container to let cool. Add as little or as much to your coffee as you want. If these are too sweet or not sweet enough, just adjust. It's very easy to make these suit your taste. Pour these into a container to keep in the fridge until the date of expiry for your cream. But trust me, they will not last that long. I used a container with a lid so that I can shake it up before I pour them into my coffee. I hope you give this simple recipe a try. I'm sure you will love it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.